Hello students, today I'm going to discuss about list in HTML. So basically list is mainly two types. One is ordered list and other is unordered list. So for unordered list we use UL tag and for ordered list we use OL tag. So at first let's focus on the unordered list. For unordered list here you have to use the UL tag and also you have to close this. In this tag for entering data you have to use li tag, li for list. Suppose here it will be convoy and I'll enter more two names. Now let's check it on our website. So here you can see the three names are in the list. Now I want to change these bullets. So for that here I have to change the style of this list. Here you can see that the bullets are in circle style. Now it will be changed as square. Now you can change it as circle. You can make it as disc. And if you don't want to use these bullets, then you have to use none in style. So here you have to use none. And now the bullets will disappear. After that I am going to make it as ordered list. So you have to change this UL tag to OL tag. And now it will be ordered list. You can change this order in different type of style. For that you have to write here type and now I want that in the place of 1 to 3 here it will be ABC in capital. Now let's check. Here you can see the 1 to 3 change into ABC. And now I want to change it as small ABC. It changed as small ABC. And now I am going to use Roman number. And you can also reverse the number. You can see the numbers are reversed. That is, at first it's 3 and after that 2 and 1. And if you want that numbers are start from like 80 or 90, then here you have to write start from 282 or 85, 86. How do you want? So in this way you can use ordered list and unordered list. And the one more list type is description list, where you can describe about something. So for description list you have to use DL tag. In this DL tag you have to write two tags. One is for description term and another is for the definition of the term. So for description term we have to use DT. And for description definition we have to use DD. Suppose there I am going to write rose, and in definition I am going to write that rose is beautiful. So this is the description term and this is the description definition. That's all about list. You have to practice these all things to be expert on HTML. So if you like this video, then go for subscribe this channel and also follow my Instagram page. Thank you.